Want the ultimate listening experience? The Apple AirPods Max 2 deliver premium sound, powerful noise cancellation, and immersive spatial audio, giving you a smarter and more enjoyable way to listen every day. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Apple AirPods Max 2, Smart Case, USB-C charging cable, documentation. How to pair. Open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or other compatible device, and make sure Bluetooth is enabled before starting the pairing process. Remove the AirPods Max 2 from the smart case, then press and hold the noise control button until the status light flashes white, indicating they are ready to pair. On your device, select AirPods Max 2 from the list of available Bluetooth devices. Wait a few moments for the connection to complete, and your headphones will be ready to use. Controls. The Apple AirPods Max 2 offers simple, intuitive controls. Use the digital crown to adjust volume, control playback, manage calls, skip tracks, or activate Siri. Press the listening mode button to switch between noise cancellation, transparency, and adaptive audio. Just say Siri or Hey Siri for hands-free music, calls, messages, and more. How to charge. Connect the included USB-C charging cable to the USB-C port on the right ear cup, then plug the other end into a USB-C power adapter, computer, or compatible power source. Allow the headphones to charge until the battery reaches your desired level, with a quick charge providing hours of listening time. Smart features. Enjoy rich, detailed sound with deep bass, natural mids, and crisp highs. Custom-built drivers and advanced audio processing deliver a clear and immersive listening experience for music, movies, and calls. Advanced active noise cancellation reduces unwanted background noise, helping you stay focused on your audio. Switch to transparency mode anytime to hear conversations and important sounds without removing your headphones. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking creates a theater-like surround sound experience. It makes movies, TV shows, and compatible music feel more immersive by placing sound all around you. Designed for long listening sessions, the breathable knit mesh canopy evenly distributes weight, while memory foam ear cushions provide a soft, secure fit and excellent acoustic seal for lasting comfort. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.